Brought to you by Agilus Diagnostics.
हेल्थ टेस्ट की बात आती है तो मैं भरोसा करता हूँ इंडिया लार्जेस्ट डायग्नोस्टिक्स कंपनी एजिलिस डायग्नोस्टिक्स। खुद को टेस्ट करते रहो।
इस साल का बजट हम सब के लिए काफी खास रहा। जहां बैक टू बैक बजट्स में मिडिल क्लास को डिसअपॉइंटमेंट देखने को मिलती थी, तो इस साल मिडिल क्लास के लिए फाइनेंस मिनिस्टर निर्मला सीतारमन ने एक स्पेशल अनाउंसमेंट करके सबका दिल जीत लिया। जी हाँ, एफएम ने अनाउंस किया दैट अंडर अ न्यू इनकम टैक्स regime there will be zero tax liability for individuals earning up to rupees 12 lakh. Not just this, in the budget speech, she also announced the creation of a Makhana board in Bihar to boost the production, processing, value addition and marketing of Makhana, which is also known as Fox Nuts. इस अनाउंसमेंट के बाद सोशल मीडिया पे भर भर के मीम्स भी देखने को मिले। निर्मला सीतारमन का इस मूव को काफी अप्रिशिएट भी किया गया। Zerodha co-founder Nikhil Kamath also didn't shy away from highlighting the massive potential of the superfood. उन्होंने सोशल मीडिया प्लेटफॉर्म्स X और Instagram पे बताया कि इंडिया कैन बिकम द रियली लार्ज ब्रांड, एन इंडियन ब्रांड दैट सेल्स टू द वर्ल्ड। उन्होंने अपनी पोस्ट में हमें फॉक्सनट के हेल्थ बेनिफिट्स भी बताए एंड देयर ग्लोबल मार्केट पोटेंशियल। ही आल्सो हाइलाइटेड द स्ट्रगल्स फेस्ड बाय मखाना फार्मर्स इन हिज पोस्ट। ही आल्सो मेंशन्ड दैट वो खुद भी फॉक्सनट के कितने बड़े फैन हैं। फिर तो जैसे सोशल मीडिया पे एक बड़ी डिबेट शुरू हो गई, हर कोई मखाने के बारे में बात करने लगा। तो अब आपको समझ आ ही गया होगा कि हम आज किस स्पेशल फूड की बात करने वाले हैं। जी हाँ, आज के एपिसोड में हम बताएंगे व्हाई शुड यू ऐड मखाना इन योर डाइट, how can you include it in your diet if you're planning to lose weight, and benefits of eating ghee roasted makhana. So stay tuned and watch the video till the end. Weight loss. Makhana is a great snack for those looking to lose weight. It is low in calories and high in fiber, which helps keep you full for longer. इससे आप ओवर ईटिंग नहीं करते हैं और वेट लॉस जल्दी दिखने लग जाता है। Additionally, its high protein content aids in muscle building and boosts metabolism, further supporting weight loss efforts. Supports heart health. Makhana contains magnesium and potassium, which help regulate blood pressure levels, improving heart health. It is also rich in antioxidants, which help reduce inflammation and lower the risk of heart disease. The presence of fiber helps in reducing bad cholesterol, promoting overall cardiovascular health. Beneficial for kidney health. Makhana is known for its kidney protective properties. It has a diuretic effect, which helps in flushing out toxins and preventing kidney stones. Its low sodium content also supports kidney function by reducing the strain on these vital organs. Good source of calcium. Makhana is rich in calcium, which is essential for maintaining strong bones and teeth. Calcium also plays a crucial role in muscle function, nerve transmission and blood clotting. Makhana खाने से आप अपने दिन भर की कैल्शियम नीड को पूरा कर सकते हैं, स्पेशली वो लोग जो डेयरी प्रोडक्ट्स अवॉइड करते हैं। Manages blood sugar levels. Makhana has a low glycemic index, making it a perfect food for people with diabetes. It helps in regulating blood pressure level by providing a slow release of energy, preventing sudden spike in glucose levels. Its high fiber content also aids in better digestion and absorption, making it a healthy snack for blood sugar management. Improves brain health. Makhana is a rich source of antioxidants, which help protect brain cells from oxidative damage and improve cognitive function. It also contains several essential amino acids that support brain health, memory and concentration. The high magnesium content contributes to a calm mind, reducing strength and promoting overall mental well-being. So these were some of the benefits of consuming this superfood. If you are on your weight loss journey and sometimes feel cravings for junk food, Makhana can help reduce those cravings. It's a healthy snack that you can eat to reduce cravings and meet your daily nutritional needs. But yes, too much consumption is not good for your health. If consumed in large quantities, Makhanas could lead to digestive issues like bloating and constipation due to their high fiber content. So it is advised to eat in moderation and not go overboard. It can also lead to some allergic reactions, so don't eat too much. I hope you found today's video helpful. Leave your feedback in the comment box below and keep watching FitTak.